I just got back from California and some of my plants are very unhappy. I was gone for 1 week, but it's super hot and today it's crazy muggy, but we are going to finally hook up our drip hose system. Okay, this is the end of it. These scissors are too small. Maybe. Did you just buy that?
And then, you know, when you push it in, that's how you tighten it to really get it on there.
So you bought that?
I did not buy this, no.
Okay, wait, why are you putting that here? That goes over there, no?
No. I can see how you'd be... Oh, there you go, spider. Oh. Oh.
Oh boy, what is it?
Oh, these come out.
Oh god. Do we need pincher thing? No, no, no. Looks like it's just it's a spider sack, I think.
Probably, yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
This kind of off. And then you got to figure this out.
Okay, I'll do that.
But you know, you have instructions, right, for this. You want to put it back on, and you want to have it start to control this right here. You're just going to put this in like that, and it's going to start this. And so this one is you're going to have on the timer, obviously, right?
We don't have to turn the water off on the house.
You do.
You do?
Oh, you do, baby, you do.
But we're not going to.
We're rebels.
Did you turn it off?
Of course I did, baby.
Okay, don't break this one. Break up the other one.
Hey, bug, get out of the way.
Oh no. Okay, now we just need... Oh, the hose is hooked up already. We should turn it on for the time for now. So it might be flowing over there. Let me see. I'm just checking to see if it's flowing over here. It's not dripping from the drip hose though.
Next start time, 6 6 a.m. zone 4. So now it should be
Oh,
flowing.
so you can turn it on to manual just to have it flowing, and it is. I can hear it.
Yeah. You get these little kinks out of it. See these little kinks?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
So you're going to want to follow it, make sure it goes all the way to the end.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm not going to go through these bushes. So there's the hose. It goes all the way through there into the mailbox. The connection where I chainsawed it is squirting a lot. I need to fix the connection. This looks like it was maybe bitten or something like that. See it spraying? I don't think it's dripping all the way over here. Yeah, thank you.
It is dripping all the way over there?
I don't think so, but you know, there's a couple holes I need to fix to get it to be strong enough, I'm assuming. Although, actually, I do hear it over here.
Give it some time. It's probably just trying to make it over. Look at this, baby.
That you can't see it from here. Yeah, here it is. All the way up by the mailbox, making noise. Here it is, dripping around our maple tree. Oh, it's really spraying, but our plants clearly need it. It's a hydrangea. We have all these messed up pieces because I had a coil and it got run over by our lawnmower. Need a couple straight ones, straight couplers to fix where it's spraying. To turn it off, I'm going to set it to timer. Okay, so this is where I fixed it, but clearly it's still spraying from there. So I'm going to cut this so it's a nice cut rather than this frayed part.
So did you figure out how to turn it off?
Yeah, I just set it to timer.
Yep. You can help?
I might.
Or did you just fix it?
I put in a coupler when it was still frayed. That's why it's splashing. I can't.
Just cut it out. You're going to want a fresh end anyways.
Alright.
Need a razor blade?
No.
Yeah?
Nope. Thank you. I hate to lose this.
So I got this hose on manual, so it should be on all the time.
These need to be sharpened.
Oh yeah. We got hose.
Okay. Whew. Okay, can you turn it on? Okay, that's not the spot that was spraying. Okay, I'm now soaked. Okay, so this is the spot that was spraying. I'm gonna cut that. Put another coupler. Okay. Okay. Okay, we did it. It's not spraying. Well, yeah. I'll just make this tighter. What, the bird? There it is. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. It's just gonna drain what's in there. Might need more hose. Is there a piece of this brown hose? I need to replace like a few inch. Yeah, and I need another coupler. No, you can't pull it. One more. So I need an extra piece of tubing after cutting this out because it won't reach. It needs to touch here. So I'm gonna cut out a bigger piece and then take a chunk out of this extra hose. Not yet. It's harder than it looks. And there we have the connection with the two couplers. Okay, I think I'm ready. Okay, let me move. Perfect, no more leak. So it's watering right now. It's set to manual. As soon as I want it to stop watering, I'll set it back to timer. It automatically turns on, and we have it set for 6 a.m. for half an hour every day. So it'll turn on at 6 a.m. We just have one hose hooked up to the drip hose, and this is the regular hose that we use for watering. Set to manual and is controlled at the end with the little hose gun. And then we have 2 more zones that I can use to hook drip tubing up for this area and around the front, and then this area over here. Right now this is kind of ugly, but we'll trench it at another time. And now that we know that it works for us, another system for this side of our house, which already has a soaker hose set up, but it's just not hooked to anything. Like, we need a timer. And the drip hose runs all the way across this flower bed. See it down here? And then this is where the flower bed ends, but I have more drip hose set up there for the front. There it is. And it goes all the way through those plants, but not up there. So we have a lot of work to do. And the drip hose that we set up today runs over there through all those flower beds there, but not into this one. So we'll be extending it. The lungwort didn't pop up. I watered it yesterday for the first time after a week of heat. But we have this drip hose running to it, so hopefully it'll perk back up. And we need to eventually hide this drip hose that's running over this path. You can see the drip hose is working in this area, in that area. We have a T-coupler right there. See there, it comes off the main line. There's a T-coupler here somewhere. So it goes this way, and then this way. And then from there, it goes across here and here. And it goes along this area and couples off with a T here, and then an L shaped there. So it goes like this on the other side of the bricks, and then here, and somewhere over there. And off the main line, we also have another T-coupler here that goes here somewhere. Maybe we have one that goes from there here too. Let's see. Oh no. So the one that comes from over there goes across here through the pavers, and then we tee off again going that way, and then over here, and then around that tree and over that way. A lot of it is under the mulch that we placed after we placed the drip hose, so you can't see it very well, but it comes up again right here across the lungwort by the boxwood and these hostas. And then I believe we ended it in here. But I'm not going to dig in there because of the poison ivy. Another plant died, the azalea, because of my 1 week gone. I'm going to water it and see if I can bring it back. But of course I'm going to run this first because the water is really hot. Might as well clean off the pavers with the hot water. Okay. Not very promising.